Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I achieve my everyday makeup routine. This is a very natural look in my opinion and is my go-to look for a normal school day. Usually within 10 minutes I'm out the door, which is perfect for me because I'm always running late. Ugh. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy watching and let's get right into this video. First step I take is to fill in my brows. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade dark brown. I don't have much to fill in, I just fill in the sparse spots and try to make them as even as possible. Alright, so now that the brows are done, it is now time to move on to the skin. My main concern on the mornings when I do feel like doing my makeup are concealing the under eyes, any sort of discoloration I have going on. So I'm taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 30. This was actually my second time using this on my skin. Still not sure if this is reacting well with my skin or if it's causing me to break out. Not quite sure yet, but any other concealer, your favorite concealer, works just as well. But for the price, it did give me great coverage to say the least. On other days that I'm not using this, I'm using my Cover FX Total Cover Cream Foundation slash concealer. It's a concealer and foundation in one, and I just take a little bit on my fingers and dab it underneath my under eyes and on any spots of redness or discoloration that I want to cover up. As you guys could see, I took my beauty blender and started blending all that concealer out. This is obviously not a full coverage look. My freckles still peek through, which is perfectly fine with me. This is the perfect amount of coverage that I need on a day-to-day basis to just make me look alive and more awake. Now, taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and my e.l.f. pointed powder brush, I'm going to set all that concealer down. To get some moisture back into my lips, I use my Vaseline Lip Therapy Advanced Healing. It's just a bunch of white petroleum jelly, perfect for chapped lips. Using a contour brush by the Mark brand and my Smashbox step-by-step contour palette, I picked up some of the middle bronzing shade to put some warmth back into my skin. Using a denser powder brush, I'm using this to blend it all in. Using my e.l.f. blush brush, I'm going into this duo from e.l.f. in the shade Fiji Matte. I'm taking the blush shade and applying that all over the cheeks onto the bronzing color as well. To clean up my contour, I used some of my translucent powder on my beauty blender and just carved out my cheeks. Taking my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel, I am combing up my brows and making sure that they stay in place. I took my favorite Revlon eyelash curler along with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara and applied that all over the lashes. For highlighter today, I used my e.l.f. Cosmetics Moonlight Pearls highlighter with my ColourPop Small Fluff brush. This could be a subtle glow or a bam in your face glow. It all depends on how much you apply, but for the price, it is amazing. Now taking the same powder brush from earlier, I'm using that to dust off the rest of the translucent powder I had setting on my face. To set that all into the skin, I use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. We are pretty much done. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is my day-to-day makeup routine, you can say, on the days that I have energy to do something with my face. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.